Hi folks, got a cracking little video here from about a week and a half ago. Some great passes. Enjoy.
How do you folks? 29th of July, it's a Monday, it's 10 to 9 at night and I'm just on my way back to the Mach Loop. I'm going to be staying there until Thursday, so I'll be going filming Tuesday and Wednesday, and I might film possibly Thursday morning, so hopefully going to get some good passes in the next 2.5 days. So keep your eye on the channel, keep your fingers crossed. I've not had the best last few days I've been there, so I'm just hoping this time we see quite a few decent passes. So if I do, I'll pop it on the channel. So thanks for watching, please share, please subscribe, and hopefully we'll see some aircraft. Bye for now.
Back on the loop then. It's Tuesday, nearly 9 o'clock. Got my fingers crossed today then. All set up again, got the laptop, the ADSB all set up, so keep these fingers crossed. Hopefully we'll get some good passes today. So thanks for watching, and I'll upload them to the channel if anything comes through. Bye for now. There we go. Oh. Couple of Hawks. That's a couple of Hawks we've been watching this morning. That's good. So we've not had a blank. So we saw them coming through. That's a nice little pass. Oh yeah, just 2 Hawks been through. We've got a Typhoon that's said he's going to go through the loop, so we're just waiting for that to come through. Obviously not sure when. It's dropped down off the scanner. Caught it by surprise. Luckily I just caught it. Another Hawk just went through. I was busy watching the screen. I nearly missed that one. Didn't see him coming around the corner, but luckily caught him just above me. Sod's law, innit? I looked down at the screen trying to read a message for about 3 seconds. Missed him coming round the bend. Luckily we still caught him. Hang on. Typhoon just gone over there. He is. Right, we're going to walk back to the caravan now, and hopefully we'll get him on way back. Yeah. That Texan, there he goes. Nice Texan pass there. I do, folks. I'm just watching this A400. It's on its way over. It's coming up to the lake distance, and now it's on its way back down to towards the Mach Loop. It's around about 10 minutes away, so keep watching, and then I'll load it to the channel. Bye for now. Right, folks. I'm just I say 400 past there. He's had a brilliant morning, and now we've got some F35s. It could be 1 or 2, not sure, through the Litchfield corridor on its way over to the Mach Loop. They've actually said they're going to go down low level in the Mach Loop. So this A400's just gone through here on the left hand side, but now we've got some F35s. Beautiful. Keep watching. Watching this F35, there it is. Coming over, been through Wolverhampton, through the Litchfield corridor, Birmingham, now on its way to Welshpool, only about 5 or 6 minutes away from the Mach Loop, coming straight towards us. So keep watching the channel, folks. Get in there, we're going to get the Americans, are going to be coming through. Lovely. Love it.
There she is, right behind at the top, look at
Forgot to bring a long extension, didn't I, today? So I've only got this short extension here, so I can't actually put on my phone charger and attach it to the charger. So I've got my battery pack, my jump. Oh, you bugger! Oh. See, they catch you out. That'll teach me. Just going through Cad East and Cad West now, so it's going to be about 30 seconds. We're going to get a nice Texan, or maybe 45 seconds, something like that. There we go. It's coming. Here he comes. 20 seconds, I guess. Here he is. Thought there were two of them, but only one.